Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to prepare a presentation with help of AI in 5 minutes, maybe less. So imagine situation when you need to quickly prepare a presentation about some topic. First you need to be able to implement it, you need two tools, Claude AI and Kimi.com. Both tools are free. Imagine you need presentation about 10 must requirements for engagement PowerPoint presentation. First, I go to Claude and type simply prompt as prompt engineer, build a detailed prompt for AI agent so he can generate presentation about the topic I want to research. Topic for presentation, 10 must requirements for engagement PowerPoint presentation. And go. Wait few seconds and Claude will generate a prompt for our presentation. You can review it, fix it, but in our case the main requirements in speed, so we just wait until Claude prepare detailed prompt for us. So we use this Claude Smart Model as thinking engine for our presentation. It worked pretty fast. Free version you can generate it quickly. Then copy this prompt, go to Kimi.com, go to their new features Kimi Slide. That's the feature I just see today and decide to create video for you. And just paste your prompt over here, run, let me increase it a little bit, run it, and just wait and see how it works. So it's thinking. As first step, Kimi.com will prepare a structured text for your presentation. As I understand, after a couple tries, it has some logic underhood which create all presentation in predefined structure for Kimi.com. You see it has planned content, audience on audit and second, visual roadmap of 10 requirements, why great slide business results. So it's creating own prompt and details for this presentation. And it worked pretty fast. It's just first step, you will see a magic after it. So when we review this logic, it has a couple blocks: opening impact for requirements, then closing action, and it typing detailed text for each block of presentation. When it prepare, we have this button generate slides. Press it, and on this stage you can choose from predefined templates for your presentation UI. There are a lot of them. You can see main slide and examples how it can look like. Let's find which one is the best fit for our life hacks for a good presentation. I want to show you all of them, so you can select. But if you need something fast, you can try whatever you like first. So let's use these blue ones. I like it the most. You can play around and try it by yourself. So press generate slides button and let's see a magic. Look, I'm sharing my screen and Kimi.com is doing magic. A few years ago I wasn't even imagined that presentation can be built so fast. And I did just one prompt, one request. Yes, maybe you will need to modify it somehow or fix this type of bugs as you see in the previous slide, but it's in few minutes. You do nothing, just watching and checking the results. I think after it you can spend 5-10 minutes, review each slide, fix mistakes, maybe update some slides with correct information you want to emphasize, and you have in 15-20 minute high quality presentation for your needs. And with help of Claude prompt, I think this presentation is pretty cool, because in previous tests I just used a couple sentences and it wasn't so good as this one. For me it's just like a magic. That's everything I want to say. And I suppose this presentation can be used even for speech in the university or for something. Probably in next video I will review this presentation if it has 20 likes, for example, if you like video like that, but still. So it's awesome. Then what can you do next with this presentation? You can download it. You can download it as PowerPoint, and it will be a PowerPoint file where you can edit this presentation in PowerPoint. You can download image, and it will download then WinRAR archive file, so you can extract each image separately. You can save it to your Kimi.com account. You can play it over here, you see, and you can preview it even from your browser and check it out. And also you can edit it. There is an editor where you can let's check some mistake and fix it where it was. I even cannot find these UI mistakes. Over here, for example, we can extend this text and move it. You can fix it even from this UI. I think it's awesome tool. It's totally free. I generate a couple presentations for testing before creating this video, and I hope it helps you. Subscribe for my channel, add 20 likes to this video if you want me to review the results of this presentation and give you some more detailed feedback. Is it worse or is it generating good content for you? Thank you, have a good day, bye bye.